ask me why I do love my pressure pot, because of this, because the result, it's really, I'm happy and I'm satisfied, and I don't want you guys do mistake. I just trying to help if you do some resin work in a mold, so get pressure pot, because that's absolutely useful and you're not going to be regret. This is not exactly after pressure pot, this is after polish, but even after polish is amazing. So first of all, you need to remember the pressure pot, it have to be, first of all, you need to check, always be safe, all right? Never ever exceed 80, or I put 38-40. If you see here 38-40, that is for me maximum for my resin, and I'm gonna go higher. And you need to remember also the pressure pot is not gonna work without compressor. I have this compressor, I bought it, and here if you see is a newer compressor, that one. So without this one is not gonna work, okay? So before you set up this, you have to remember always to put something inside. I put it, this came from Amazon, and I cut it and I put it, which is I feel very useful. This is coming this little pot inside, which you can move, but I never move, okay? That is pressure pot inside, and I put my resin wherever I need, or mold, inside this pressure pot, and I close it. Yeah, I keep always both connected. I never I can release that, but I don't do that, okay? You need to buy this one, if you see carefully, yeah, that one, and I connect here as well, so that should be connected. So before you start putting the compressor on and all this stuff, you need to remember always safety. Put all these lockers correct way. Read the safety very carefully before you use a pressure pot, and lock them in a same position. Not like do this one and after this one, no, do like same, and lock it really hard, okay, properly, okay, and make sure this is locked as well. This is air release, lock it, okay. And now you will see I will put compressor on. You will see the sound. It's gonna be very loud. Pressure on, and you will see that one. And you will see here, I'll show you. Gonna up, don't go exceed, it's 40 for resin, because I don't exceed 40. I usually 38 or nearly 40. Because I don't have resin now. So that you will put overnight your resin, and absolutely amazing. It's like I showed you earlier. This is after polish, and this is you will get, but you need to polish. This is after polish I show you guys, but no air bubble, you see, it's not any air bubbles. So after you leave after overnight, what you do, you slowly release the air, slowly. You will see there it's going down. Okay, when you see 0, it must be 0. All right, and here as well must be 0 on presser, so that it's ready to open. Before it's not 0, don't touch it. All right, and after you open it slowly, that is ready to take your item. Okay, that is my air pressure compressor.